welcome back to another video. So, what if I told you that you could get paid just for walking? Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. There are apps that are literally rewarding you for moving. And today I'm going to tell you about four of these apps. So, let's jump right into it. The first app is Coin. In this app, it tracks your steps and rewards you with its own coins, which you can use for discounts, gift cards, or even cash out in some cases. So every step you take actually earns you something. So this is amazing. You can find them on us app stores, and you can also review their store if you want to check that out. So moving on to the next one, we have Step Bet. So this one is for those who like to challenge themselves. So you have to join a step goal challenge, put in some money, and if you meet your target, you win the cash. And you know what the best part is? You're betting on yourself, so it's a win-win situation. You will get the money, you will stay active as well, you will be physically fit, and I think that's like the best thing. So, moving on to the next one, we have this another one which is called Lympho. So, Lympho is basically it rewards you in cryptocurrency just for walking. So, if you're into crypto or if you want to earn some digital coins, you can easily get started with this. The application is easy, the website is very understandable, and if you're really into crypto and NFTs mining and all that stuff, this is your go-to website. The last but not the least is our Miles app. As you can see, unlike the others, this one just doesn't track walking. It also rewards you for all kinds of movement, whether you are biking, driving, or even if you're flying. So you earn points and you can redeem for gift cards or any deals. And it's also available on App Store, on Google Play, as you can see. And so, I mean, why walk for free when you can get paid? These apps make it super easy to earn rewards just by moving. So, which one will you try it first? Let me know. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. And thank you guys for watching.